Ever wondered how your body turns a slice of pizza into energy, muscle, and movement? The secret lies in one incredible organ, the small intestine. Let's dive into your body's real chemistry lab as we uncover digestion and absorption in the small intestine. The small intestine is divided into three sections: duodenum, the first portion; jejunum, the second portion; and ileum, the third portion. Most digestion and absorption occur in this small intestine. Let's start with digestion in the small intestine. The acidic food from the stomach stimulates the release of the bile salts from the gallbladder and the pancreatic juice from the pancreas. The bile salts break down fats into smaller droplets to increase the surface area for the lipid digestion. This process is called emulsification. The pancreatic juice contains the digestive enzymes and the bicarbonate. The bicarbonate neutralizes the acid from the stomach and creates an alkaline environment for the enzyme's optimal pH. Enzymes found in the pancreatic juice include trypsin, lipase, and amylase. Trypsin continues protein digestion. It digests protein into smaller polypeptides. Lipase continues fats digestion. It digests lipid into fatty acids and glycerol. Amylase continues carbohydrate digestion. It digests starch into maltose. The walls of the small intestine contain intestinal juice. Enzymes in this juice finish the digestion of all nutrients. For the carbohydrates, maltase digests maltose into two glucoses. Lactase digests lactose into glucose and galactose. Sucrase digests sucrose into glucose and fructose. For the fats, lipase digests lipids into 3 fatty acids and 1 glycerol. For the proteins, protease digests proteins and polypeptides into amino acids. Now, the absorption in the small intestine. The absorption of the digested nutrients occurs in the small intestine, mostly in the jejunum. The inner walls of the intestine are covered by finger-like projections called villi, each villus containing tiny microvilli. This arrangement increases the surface area available for the absorption of nutrients. Each microvillus has a network of capillaries and a lymphatic vessel called lacteal. Digested nutrients diffuse from the intestinal lumen into the capillary or the lacteal of the microvillus. Glucose and amino acids are absorbed into the capillary. Fatty acids, glycerol, and some vitamins are absorbed into the lacteal. To recap, the small intestine is divided into 3 sections: duodenum, jejunum, and ileum. Most of the digestion occurs in the duodenum and jejunum, while absorption in the jejunum and ileum. The acidic food from the stomach stimulates the release of the bile salts from the gallbladder and the pancreatic juice from the pancreas. The bile salts break down fats into smaller droplets, a process called emulsification. The bicarbonate in the pancreatic juice neutralizes the acidic food from the stomach and creates an alkaline environment for the enzymes. The enzyme in the pancreatic juice continues the digestion of food. The enzyme in the intestinal juice finishes the digestion of all the nutrients. The absorption occurs mainly in the jejunum. The digested nutrients are absorbed by the microvillus. Amino acids and glucose are absorbed into the capillaries of the microvillus. Fatty acid, glycerol, and some vitamins are absorbed into the lacteal of the microvillus. Every bite you eat completes its final transformation inside the small intestine, the true powerhouse of digestion and absorption. Without it, nutrition is just potential, not power. Now that you've explored how the small intestine digests and absorbs food, in the next video, we'll uncover the digestion in the stomach.